Dear students, welcome to today's class. First of all, happy Yugadi to everyone. Today we will see some questions based on differentiation. If you observe here, first question, if y is equals to sin x to the power of cos x, then we have to find the derivative of this given function. If you observe here, this is of the form function to the power of function. So to solve function to the power of function by usual method, it will be very lengthy. Therefore, I will tell you one shortcut. Remember this shortcut. Based on this shortcut, you can solve many questions based on this function to the power of function. The shortcut is, suppose the given function is of the form f of x to the power of g of x. It is of the form f of x to the power of g of x. Then the shortcut is, first we have to write f of x to the power of g of x into this g of x divided by f of x into differentiation of f dash of x plus log of f of x into derivative of g of x. This is a shortcut we have to use. If it is of the form function to the power of function, that is f of x to the power of g of x, first g of x by f of x into derivative of f of x plus log of f of x into g dash of x. So if you observe here in this given question, f of x is nothing but sin x, then g of x is nothing but cos x. So if you apply this shortcut, you will get sin x to the power of cos x, sin x to the power of cos x into g of x means cos x divided by sin x into derivative of f dash of x is nothing but differentiation of sin x is cos x plus log of f of x, that is f of x is sin x into differentiation of g of x, that is g dash of x is nothing but g of x is cos x, therefore differentiation is minus sin x. So this can be written as sin x to the power of cos x into cos by sin is nothing but cot x into cos x plus this one is minus remaining as it is. So if you observe the options, sin x to the power of cos x, then minus sin x into log x plus cot x into cos x. This is nothing but option B is our correct answer. Now we will move for the second question. Suppose y is equals to root of x plus so on up to infinity times root of x is given, then we have to find the derivative. To find this derivative, I will tell one shortcut. Remember this. Suppose y is equals to root of f of x plus root of f of x plus so on plus up to infinity is the given function, then the derivative of this one is nothing but dy by dx is equals to f dash of x, means derivative of this f of x divided by 2y minus 1, that is our required answer. So here f of x is nothing but x. If you observe here, dy by dx is equals to f dash of x means differentiation of x, that is 1 divided by 2y minus 1, therefore our answer is option D. In the place of x, suppose if they give sin x plus root of sin x plus so on up to infinity, then our answer is dy by dx is equals to just derivative of this one, that is cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, see the next question. If f of x is equals to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, then we have to find the value of f dash of x, means we want derivative of this function. If you observe this one, dear students, it is of the form u divided by v, then it is very complicated. You will not get the answer easily. So if you observe here, f of x is equals to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x is the given question. This 1 is nothing but f of x is equals to, can I write this one, tan of pi by 4, because tan 45 degree is equals to 1 plus tan of x divided by, this one can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus tan of x. Now if you observe this one, it is of the form tan of a plus tan of b divided by tan of A plus tan of B divided by tan pi by 4 means what? 1. 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. Tan A is nothing but tan pi by 4, that is 1. So that here tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here tan A means tan of pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is 1. So we can write directly. Therefore this becomes tan of A. A means what? Tan of A means pi by 4. That is pi by 4 plus tan of B. B means x. Now it is tan of A plus B. That is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now this becomes tan of pi by 4 plus x. It is f of x. If you want to calculate f dash of x, then differentiate. What is this? Is basically of the form tan of x. So tan x differentiation is secant square x, that is pi by 4 plus x, into differentiation of pi by 4 constant is 0 plus differentiation of x is 1. Therefore our required answer is secant square pi by 4 plus x. Remember here it is tan of pi by 4. I will write this one as it is, that is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here nothing is given, means tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore we can assume 1 into tan of x. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Now we will move for the next question, that is question number 4. If y is equals to log of root of sin x, then we have to find a derivative of this function. There are two methods I will tell here. Y is equals to log of root of sin x is the given function. So if you differentiate dy by dx is equals to, it is basically of the form log of x. What is differentiation of log x? That is 1 divided by x. X means sin x. It is composite function. In the place of x which function is there, that again we have to differentiate. That is nothing but it is of the form root of x. 1 divided by 2 into root of sin x. Again it is a composite function. Differentiation of sin x is nothing but cos x. If you simplify this one, 1 into 1 into cos x is cos x divided by 2 as it is root of sin x into root of sin x is sin x. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into cos by sin is cot x. This is the one method we can solve, or we can go by another method. Y is equals to log of root of sin x is the given function. We can write here y is equals to log of root is nothing but we can write sin x to the power of 1 by 2. So if you observe here, y is equals to log of m to the power of n form. Y is equals to log of m to the power of n can be written as y is equals to, if you apply the property, n into log of sin x. That is log of m to the power of n is nothing but n into log of m. This property I will use. Then if you differentiate, dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 is constant. It is of the form log of x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. X means sin x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So if you simplify, 1 by 2 into cos by sin is nothing but